Hello everyone, this is the platform of distance learning and I am Sulochna. Today we are going to talk about metabolic syndrome. What do we understand by metabolic syndrome? So it is a cluster, you can say, or it's a bunch of conditions which led to the diseases which are responsible for heart stroke or they are responsible for diabetes too. So what are all those things? What is all that cluster? So in that, first is abdominal obesity. How will you understand that the person is suffering from metabolic syndrome? So first thing which you can see is abdominal obesity. So it is where there is obesity in the abdomen. Male structure, it becomes like apple shaped structure, right? And in females it becomes pear shaped structure. If you like to see, so you can see it here. So it is apple shaped in men and it is pear shaped in females, so that you can understand that the person can suffer from metabolic syndrome. Second is high blood pressure. That is the second condition. Then high blood sugar level. High blood sugar level because the reason being that your body is unable to maintain that insulin level in your body which is required to see that blood sugar level, right? So insulin level is less, you can say, than the sugar you are taking in your body. Then high serum glycerides, that is also another way by which you can understand that the person is suffering from metabolic syndrome. There can be low serum or high density lipoprotein. Lipoprotein it is the combination of lipid and protein, right? So if it is having high density or low serum, then also the person can suffer from metabolic syndrome. So here you can see the bunch of bunch of causes which are leading towards the metabolic syndrome. Now, how can you get rid of this metabolic syndrome? Because this is the initial, you can say these are the initial or pro causes for heart strokes or diabetes too. So if you want to get protection against this metabolic syndrome, so what we can do is, we can do certain changes in our lifestyle, right? What all we can do is, you can go for the exercise, do regular exercise, whatever you like. If you want to do yoga, do yoga. If you want to go to gym, go to gym. Whatever exercise do you like, just do it, right? What I prefer is, you should play, right? Or you can go for morning walk, you can go for evening jogging. So these are the best way by which you can reduce this abdominal obesity. Second thing, when you play, it is the main thing by which you can reduce your stress level when you play, right? Or when you do dancing, if you love dancing, just dance for half an hour. It will reduce your stress level, right? Because that is also one of the main cause for any disease, that is stress. So you manage your stress. Healthy diet. If you are taking proper diet which is having good fat, right? It is having good protein in your diet. It is having fiber. So obviously you are getting rid of metabolic syndrome. Then smoking cessation, because smoking is also a cause for metabolic syndrome. So if you are not doing smoking, you are not smoking, or you are doing cessation for that, so it is also a better way to get rid of metabolic syndrome. Now the next is medication. Now if you just imagine that you hadn't followed this lifestyle and you are suffering from this metabolic syndrome. Now what medication will doctor provide you? So he will provide you medication against blood pressure, right? Second, cholesterol level, because I had told you that metabolic syndrome leads to heart diseases, heart strokes. So obviously doctor will provide you the medication for controlling your blood pressure and for the cholesterol level. Second thing, I told you that it will lead to type 2 diabetes. So doctor will provide you medication to control your blood sugar level, right? So instead of getting towards medication, I'll prefer that you should go for healthy lifestyle, because If your lifestyle is healthy, then you are not in the grip of any type of disease. So this is all in this video. Stay healthy, stay calm, take proper diet, follow a good diet plan, do exercise, do the things, the hobbies which you like, stay stress-free. This is my blessing for everyone. Thank you. Please do like, comment and subscribe our channel.